Fire Zimbabwe's sunshine economy. Why renewable energy is your next career move. The hum of a diesel generator used to be the soundtrack of Zimbabwean business, but the tune is changing. Across the country, from the rooftops of Harare to the vast solar parks in Matabeleland, a new industry is waking up. Renewable energy isn't just about keeping the lights on anymore, it's becoming the engine of Zimbabwe's job market. If you're looking for a career that's future-proof, impactful, and locally grounded, here is why the green revolution is where the opportunities are. 1. The solar gold rush. From rooftops to power plants. Zimbabwe averages over 3,000 hours of sunshine per year. We aren't just sunny, we are one of the best locations on Earth for solar photovoltaic PV energy. This geographic luck is translating into a massive demand for solar installation technicians. Thousands of households and farms are moving off-grid. We need the boots on the ground to design, wire, and maintain these systems. Project managers. Large-scale independent power producers (IPPs) are setting up solar farms to feed the national grid. These projects require high-level oversight, logistics, and legal compliance experts. 2. Green grid management. The brains of the operation. Generating power is only half the battle, managing it is where the high-tech jobs live. As Zimbabwe integrates more renewable sources, the national grid becomes more complex. This has birthed a need for green grid management professionals. Smart grid engineers. They use AI and data analytics to balance the intermittent nature of solar and wind with traditional hydropower from Kariba. Energy storage specialists. With the rise of lithium battery technology, a sector where Zimbabwe is a global player, experts who understand battery management systems (BMS) are in high demand. 3. Why this beats the traditional career path. Unlike many sectors that are shrinking due to automation, the renewable energy sector in Zimbabwe is labor-intensive and localized. Feature traditional energy jobs, renewable energy jobs. Location centralized, power plants decentralized, every town, farm. Entry barrier high, heavy industry, accessible technical certifications. Growth trend stagnant, declining exponential growth. 4. How to get involved. You don't necessarily need a 5-year engineering degree to join this wave. Vocational training. Institutions like Harare Institute of Technology (HIT) and various polytechnics are offering specialized solar water heating and PV installation courses. Sales and consulting. If you aren't technical, there is a massive need for energy consultants who can help businesses calculate their return on investment (ROI) for switching to green energy. The bottom line, Zimbabwe is at a turning point. By leaning into our natural resources, we aren't just solving a power crisis, we are creating a generation of green-collar workers. Whether you're a school leaver or a professional looking to pivot, the sun is literally shining on your next big opportunity. Join the conversation. Are you ready to make the switch? Let's power Zimbabwe together. #ZimJobs, #GreenEconomy Zim, #Renewable Energy Jobs, #Solar Zimbabwe, #Zim Engineering, #Sustainability Zim, #Work in Zim, #Clean Tech Careers.